Right? Focus. I think so. It's kind of hard to tell. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today I'm gonna have an exciting video for you so you can get to know me a little bit better. I was on the internet and I found some questions that I'd like to answer for you guys, just so you know Charmaine a bit more. So it's just 10 questions, not gonna be too long. The first question is, what skill would you like to master? I think my makeup skills. I really want to master that because sometimes I look back on some of my looks, I'm like, oh my goodness, that wasn't blended right or wasn't done right or what have you. So I definitely like to master makeup skills. Question number 2, what is your favorite drink? If you're talking about alcoholic beverages, I like peach Bellinis, and I also like Bailey's, anything like with creamy, I love that. And Moscato. Oh, I think Moscato is my top for alcoholic beverages, for sure. For non-alcoholic, honestly, water. Water. That's all I drink is water. I barely drink any juice, so if somebody comes over, the odd occasion that somebody comes over, I have to run out to the store and go grab some juice or something. So yeah, my favorite non-alcoholic is definitely water. You always see me chugging on water. Are you usually early or late? That's a funny one, because if I know I have to be somewhere like an appointment or meeting somebody, I'm always on time. Always, always, always. I hate tardiness when it comes to that. For work, well, that's another story. Not always on time. I just can't get up, man. I just cannot. Question 4. What pets did you have while growing up? I had zebra finches. They're really, really small little birds. My first one was named Swingy, and then Swingy died, and I was hysterical. And then I had 2 more, Brandy and Sherry. Don't know where I got those names from. Then also when I started, how old was I? I think during high school. Yeah, high school and college, I had budgies. Those birds are freaking annoying. They squawk all the time, leave feathers everywhere, and I couldn't deal with it anymore. And I also had goldfish too. That's about it. Question 5. Right? Focus. I think so. It's kind of hard to tell. Question 5. What are some small things that make your day better? Small things that make my day better? Just getting up, being able to get up. Some people don't wake up, you know what I mean? So just being able to get up every day and living my life, hearing from my mom, my boyfriend, my sister, my brother, my dad, everybody, that just makes my day better. Question 6, what shows are you into? Cooking shows, for sure. Hell's Kitchen, MasterChef, Chopped. I love those because I love to eat. I'm very, very greedy. Love to eat, so anything to do with food. I also like any show that's, you know, talking about ghosts or crimes, murders. I'm not crazy. I'm not. I'm just fascinated with that. A long time ago, I wanted to be a police officer, but I changed my mind because, yeah, I don't think I would have been a good police officer. So yeah, anything to do with cooking, ghosts, crime, murders, whatever, love it. Question 7. What's your favorite genre of book or movie? Obviously, horror. I love horror movies, ghosts, whatever, love it. That's my favorite. And then second, I would say action. I'm not really into comedies or love stories, not into that. Give me anything to do with ghosts, yeah, I'm in for sure. Question 8, what is something you will never do again? Freaking ride a roller coaster. I went to Canada's Wonderland and I saw a roller coaster. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. Let me try this wooden one here. You know, it doesn't look so bad. And for my Canadian folks that have been to Canada's Wonderland, I'm sure you know which one I'm talking about. Oh my God. Guys, I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna fall out of my seat. I was almost in tears. And these freaking little kids that were sitting in front of me were like, what you laughing at? Like, never again will I go on a roller coaster. Hell no, unless you pay me $1 million. Question 9. What do you wish your brain was better at doing? Freaking math. I hate math. I detest math, okay? Math is not my friend at all. At all. When it comes to my money, yes, I know about math, but I'm not into it, man. I struggled with it during high school and I dropped it as soon as I could. Like, give me English. English, I will do just fine, but math, not very good. Last question. What are you addicted to? Obviously, makeup. I love it. I love makeup. I could be addicted to much worse, right? I love it. Different eyeshadows, lipsticks. I have like well over 150 lipsticks. I know to some that's not much, but yeah, I have quite a lot. And it's funny because eyeshadow and that, like, I rarely put it on. If I do, it's weekends, you know, but that's about it. I don't wear it to work because I ain't got time for that, okay? I'm not a morning person, so I wake up at the last possible minute, so I don't have time to dilly-dally with freaking eyeshadow and stuff. No, just plain face for work. So that's it. That's everything to my video. If you like these kind of videos where you get to know Charmaine a little bit more, I'm not very exciting, okay? But if you like these videos to get to know me more, comment down below and let me know, and I'll dig around and find some more questions to answer for you. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, other questions that you want me to answer to get to know me more, again, put that down. I'll definitely like to answer them for you. I'll see you soon. Bye!